Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve you don't have permission to access. To know how to fix or how to solve you don't have permission to access, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Telegram and you can click here in this page. As you see, then this list of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. You can click clear cache, and in the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.